This is the unboxing of the 6-foot Grave and Bones animated LED spellcasting witch. I have more Halloween animatronics on the way, so stay tuned, guys. And yeah, just Halloween unboxings. Here is the top, and that is open it up. Good Lord. I did not want to get Lily the witch because I didn't want to get Lily the witch because she just has too many moving parts that could break. It's just... Alright. Hey, she comes with an adapter. Revolutionary. Let me get her out of a box. Here she is in that box. Okay, so she's detached now. So let's take her. There's her body. Look, two more. God, they make it impossible. Okay, control box. Foot pad off on volume. 6-volt 2-amp adapter. Foot pad. Speaker jack. Nice. Ooh, that is heavy. She has pretty good quality poles. Okay. She is the very straightforward setup. A, B, B to B, C to C. A little wig hair on there. So reaching up her dress. Sorry. Super sorry. Give me a second. Okay, there she is. Her arms are doing some crazy things. Her arms are kind of impossible to pose. There we go. There. She's pretty tall. She's 6'1" with her hat. So yeah, she is pretty. Hat has some wire to kind of shape it into place. Let's plug her in. I'm scared. I'm gonna just rip her open. Oh, nice. It's a really cheap feeling. Untwist it. Let's see how long this cord is, Home Depot. Nice. Nope, never mind. It's a butt cord. You tried and failed, Home Depot. Come on, do better. Let me pull her. She is a pain in the ass.
Oh, look at what we have here. A test subject for my new spell. Canis Transformore. my new spell.